start out on your knees, taking some small hip circles, loosen up the joints. Take a couple one direction and then take a couple the other direction. I'm creating this practice for you to allow you to fully melt into the stretches. Let your brain relax, reset, come back to your body. And just slow down for a second. Let me be your relaxation guru. So come to all fours, small circles at the hips, just in a clockwise direction. Keeping those abs nice and tucked in. And then go ahead and do your circles the other way. All right, from here, we're holding the all fours position. Start to arch your back slightly as you wiggle your hips a little bit left and right. So you're kind of crunching your shoulder towards your hip. And then as we're doing that, you're slowly going to round into that like cat-cow position and continue to do those little wiggles with your hips. Again, keeping the abs engaged, coming back to the arch position. And then rounding, pressing through your shoulders, continuing to do those wiggles. Drop your hips back, child's pose. Allow your belly and your forehead to press gently into your mat, okay? Full breath in. And big exhale. Roll yourself all the way up. Come to lying on one side. Reach behind your back to grab the top of your foot for a gentle quad stretch. We're going to move into a little floor flow after this, so take this easy. We're stretching the quad and your hip flexor. You want a very gentle stretch. Don't try to do too much at once. Your body's going to resist it. Release the foot and find that wave. The leg is coming forward and back, scorpioning back all the way behind you, coming forward and back, forward and back, forward and back. Keep it moving at your own pace. What you do with your upper body is up to you. All right, go ahead and grab that foot behind your back. Hold there. Breathe. Release the tension in your quad. If you're like me, I get a lot of tension through the front of my body. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So hold here, reach behind your back, grab for that foot, gentle quad stretch on your side. Release and wave the leg forward and back. Aim for as much fluidity as possible. Coming forward and back. Couple more at your own pace. And then hold back in that quad stretch. Hold there for a moment. Breathing. Very nice. All right, we're coming into a straddle using the pillow for support. So first pull it up all the way to your belly and then gently lean forward over the pillow, elbows down. If you like to go a little bit deeper, you can push the pillow even more forward, so that will allow you to have a flatter back. But then once you lay down, let yourself fully relax. Take your time. Deep breath in and out. Relaxing your nervous system. Finding a bit of calmness in your day. It can help here too to do some isolation, side to side, engaging and releasing your glute muscles. Can also help to do some self-massage along your QL, the sides of your back, your obliques. Slight leaning side to side is going to help release your adductors or the muscles of your inner thighs. One more full breath in here. We're really getting into the straddle today, you guys. And let it go. Nice. Engage your back muscles as you bring yourself up with a nice flat back. And we're going to finish off in our supported Supta Baddha Konasana. Hands up over your head, feet together, knees wide. And I'm gonna sneak in one more stretch for you guys. Separate your feet. Take a couple windshield wipers with your knees side to side. And then drop both knees over to the left, grabbing your left foot and pulling it behind you so you can feel a deep stretch through your quad. You can even reach up and gently pull on your psoas muscle, right in that hip flexor area for a deeper release. Feels so good. And then go ahead and switch on over to the other side, pulling that foot up behind you. You can use your hands to gently massage your psoas as you're doing it. Deep breath in. Pull it in a little bit more. And exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. If this is feeling super good to you, by all means, stay here. If you're ready to get out, we're gently going to bring yourselves all the way back up to that seated position. Close off with a final breath together. If you're not done stretching, well, click on one of the other many videos I have on my channel here on Flow with Addie, and keep it going. Deep breath in. Exhale out. And bow forward in gratitude. I love you guys. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Namaste.